This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Cleaning. I just love cleaning. I hope the person who invented it was given an award for their genius invention. And anyway, how can anyone punish their own sister with these medieval methods? As if there really was a reason for that.
Hi guys! Am I seeing things or is this silly girl cleaning with Sue's favorite shirt? I need to make sure.
Who knew Fluffy wasn't supposed to ride in the washing machine? He seemed to have enjoyed it. Where does it say cats can ride washing machines?
Hi, Samantha! Hey, Samantha, how are ya, Samantha? Let's go play!
I can't. I need to clean. So sorry, guys. No video today.
Are you running a fever? Sue will do the cleaning, come!
No, Sue told me to clean. It turns out you have to pay for your mischief.
What did you do?
Well, first I gave Fluffy a ride in the washing machine. Then I made a scarf out of Sue's dress. But the last straw for Sue was when I wished her good morning in the bathroom mirror.
Oh, you're something.
It would have been fine, but Sue took away my phone, my computer, and the internet for a week.
Oh, that's too cruel. Who put her in charge anyway?
That's right. Huh. She'll see.
Actually, we can have fun without the internet. For example, inflate some balloon and pop them.
Give me that.
Hey, I've got a black one too.
It'll come in handy.
What are you up to?
Well, I've had this Halloween idea, and it's right on time now.
Yay! I love Halloween.
Yes, Sam, bring Sue's doll, please.
I'm off. Yahoo! I wonder which of these dolls belong to Sue. Hey guys, what do you think? Write your answer in the comments, and we'll check and see who was right. 1, 2, how are you? 3, 4, hold at the door. 5, 6, my name is Fix. 7, 8, sorry I'm late. 9, 10, I'll say it again. Oh, doesn't matter. I'll take this one.
First, we'll cut off the bottom. This will be the top. That's why I need to make a cut. And also, 2 holes for the arms. Let's try it on. Now it's time for the skirt. Let's cut this pretty balloon here. And here. Oh, these stars look really cool. Let's do this here. Oh, no.
Here! I brought her.
Oh, great. Dark-haired Barbie is what I need.
This costume is coming out so pretty.
The angel costume is for my doll.
And for Sue's doll? Oh, I get it.
I'm done with the wings. Now let's make the base. We'll need this fluffy wire. I will insert it into the wings. Carefully now. I don't want to tear them. And now we need to attach them to the top.
And the halo? An angel should have a halo.
Fine, let's make one. I'll take another piece of the wire and fold it like this.
How's it gonna hold?
Let's attach it to the ponytail.
Holy cannoli, she's so cute.
Yep, just like me. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree. I'm gonna use a black balloon for Sue's doll. It'll be a real Halloween costume. We'll make a sleeveless top. Looks good. And we'll use another black balloon to make mini shorts.
Samantha, this is a mini costume.
Fine, let's also make the sleeves. We'll take small balloons and cut off everything we don't need. Now we'll make unusual tips for the sleeves. This will make the sleeves look unique.
As if they were chewed by a dog.
Nope. Let's try them on the doll.
I think it looks fine.
Fine.
I mean, really cool.
Now we'll use this heart-shaped balloon to make a skirt. We'll cut off the excess from one side and the other. I hope I got the length right.
Well, I've got one more red balloon just in case.
Thanks, but it looks rather pretty.
And the horns?
To make her look just like Sue?
Yep.
Let's bend it like this. And like this. I hope they will hold well. Get me some of this wire, please.
Here.
We'll make a tail for Sue. Now she'll think twice before taking the phone and the internet for me.
Oh, yeah. In this costume, the doll looks so much like Sue, especially when I eat her sweets.
Or when I cut her dresses. Both costumes look awesome!
I'd wear these for Halloween myself, but I'm handsome as I am.
You didn't put away your toys again!
I'm sorry, sister. I'll tidy up.
No more internet for you ever.
And me?
You too, lazy slime.
Samantha, don't you think we're a little bit too harsh on Sue?
Yeah, I thought so too. Maybe we should give her these costumes.
Good idea, Samantha. Guys, we're off. Please vote for the costume you like best in the comments. Bye-bye!
So where are we? It's very hot. There are loads of different kinds of plants and trees. I think we're in the Amazon jungle. And look, this must be the Amazon River. Wow, I can hear birds and water and lots of other noises I've never heard before. Well, I'm a jungle explorer, so I better start exploring. Let's go this way. You've really got to keep your eyes open in the jungle. Lose concentration for one moment and you could just... You could trip over.
Please walk. Just a little walk.
Why is he talking to a tree? Hello?
Shh. You will disturb the tree.
Is he for real? Oh, sorry, didn't mean to disturb.
That's okay. And you are?
I'm Rebecca, jungle explorer.
Dr. Hans Gossenstock, scientist.
So how long have you been watching the tree for, Dr. Hans?
2 weeks, 3 days, 13 minutes, and 37 seconds, 38, 39.
Yeah, I get the picture.
Some people say it can walk. When you came in, I thought I had finally seen it walk. Oh, no, my research must continue.
So how long are you going to be here for?
Well, today is my last day to see the walking tree walk. I leave tonight. I also need to take a picture of a very rare three-toed sloth before I go. But I cannot leave this tree. What am I going to do? The plane is coming to collect me by the river at sunset.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Dr. Hans, I'm exploring the jungle today, so maybe I could take a picture of a three-toed sloth for you.
You could, Lily?
Yes, I could. I am a jungle explorer after all.
That would be brilliant. All is not lost after all. Here, take my camera.
Great. The only thing is, I've never seen a three-toed sloth before, so I don't know what they look like.
It's furry, it is high up in the tree, and it has 3 toes. It also looks like a sloth.
Okay, I'll do my best. Right, we need to get a picture of a three-toed sloth back to Dr. Hans before he leaves before sunset. Are you okay, Dr. Hans?
That is the noise sometimes made by the three-toed sloth. If you hear this noise, you will know there is a female sloth nearby.
Brilliant. I'll listen out for that noise. Now, we don't want to let Dr. Hans down. I'll meet you at the river at sunset.
Good luck.
You can count on me. They don't call me Rebecca the Jungle Explorer for nothing.
Let's play.
What? No sign of any three-toed sloths yet? Although I can hear something. Oh, I do hope it's not a huge, lizardy, dinosaur-y, feared sharp-tooth beast. Oh, it does sound huge. Oh, and lizardy and dinosaur-y.
That's it. Gotcha, you pesky little shoeless.
For you, it's not a huge, lizardy, dinosaur-y, feared sharp-tooth beast, it's...
Wolfie brought me. Extreme jungle survivalist. You can call me Wolfie.
Oh, hi, Wolfie. I'm Rebecca, brand new jungle explorer. So, do you know everything about the jungle?
What I don't know about the jungle isn't worth knowing.
Do you know all the animals in the rainforest?
Of course I do. I know them all by name.
Oh, wow, look. Oh, isn't that beautiful? What's that called?
It's called Bruce.
Bruce. Oh, that's a funny name for a butterfly. Oh, look, it's gone.
Oh, yes. Tricky little flappers, butterflies.
Maybe you can help me find a three-toed sloth.
Of course I can help you find them. What do you call it again?
A three-toed sloth.
They don't call me that. Sloth. Sleuth. For nothing.
Fantastic. Well, we need to get a picture of a three-toed sloth before sunset.
Leave it to me. I'm sure there's one out there. Somewhere. Keep up. And if you can't, don't panic. My friends in the Amazonian tribes taught me everything you need to know about leaving trails.
Brilliant! What are the chances of meeting someone who knows so much about the jungle? Well, if anyone can find a three-toed sloth, it's Wolfie. All right, where did he go? Wolfie? Wolfie!
Let's play.
Oh no, which way did Wolfie go? Oh dear, if I don't find Wolfie, I won't be able to get a picture of a three-toed sloth. There must be some way of finding out which way he went. Hold on, I remembered you. That's it. Some people who live in the rainforest leave a trail of broken sticks on the forest floor, so others know which way they have gone. Ah, look! These sticks have been left in the shape of an arrow. pointing that way. Come on, let's go. Here's another one, and another one. He must have gone this way. Wolfie, are you okay?
Yeah, of course I am. I'm Wolfie, extreme survivalist.
So have you found it?
What?
The three-toed sloth.
So what?
You don't really know what it looks like, do you?
Not exactly what it looks like, no.
They don't really call you the sloth sleuth.
No.
Great. What are we going to do now?
But don't worry, always not lost. If you keep going that way, I think you'll find someone who can help you.
Are you coming along?
Oh, look, I'd love to, but I've got really important things to do, like catch a wild pig.
Catch a wild pig? Why are you catching a wild pig?
Well, there aren't any tame ones around. See ya.
See you, Wolfie. Well, I guess we better find someone else who can help us. Let's try this way. Hello? Anyone there? What was that?
And here is a rather marvellous example of a species we call human being. Ah, she's heard something. See those ears, straining to listen. And there's the classic turning motion, indicating confusion, a state many humans often experience.
Hello?
Ah, the classic traditional human greeting, indicating a desire to say hello.
Oh, excuse me, was that you talking? I thought I was hearing voices. I'm Rebecca, jungle explorer.
Roger Twitcher, world-famous wildlife documentary filmmaker, making a film about the Amazonian rainforest. Haven't had much luck spotting any Amazonian creatures yet, though, so you will have to do.
Oh. Uh-oh, it's raining. They don't call it the rainforest for nothing.
Oh, no, I must get these cameras out of the rain, otherwise they will be ruined.
Oh, dear. If the cameras get wet, then we won't be able to get a picture of a three-toed sloth. And Dr. Hans won't be happy. Where can we put the cameras to keep them dry? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? That's it. The jungle provides all the things we need to make a shelter, like sticks, vines, and palm leaves. Now we've got everything we need to make a shelter.
Let's play.
This is a great shelter, eh?
Marvellous. What a day of bad luck I've had. I've not spotted any interesting animals, apart from you, of course.
Oh, thank you.
But I must say, something got me thinking. There was a creature out there, because I kept on hearing strange noises.
What kind of noise? What's wrong? Are you okay?
That was the noise.
That's the noise a three-toed sloth makes. There must be one around here somewhere. Wolfie was right. He said I'd meet someone who'd be able to help.
The rain has stopped. I can get on with my filming.
And I can get on with my search for a three-toed sloth. Thanks for telling me about the three-toed sloth, Roger.
You're welcome. And as a thank you for your help, you can have this camera. I've got a spare.
Oh, wow. Fantastic. How does it work?
Easy peasy. Just press the button and it records all the action.
Oh, that's brilliant. Thanks, Roger. See you later.
Let's play.
That's it. That's the noise of a three-toed sloth. Oh, it must be around here somewhere. Oh, look. There she is. Isn't she cute? Oh, no. She's up too high to take a good picture. What can we use? Hold on. I know what we can use. Do you? Of course. The remote control helicopter. We can attach this camera to the helicopter and fly it up to the sloth. Oh, but how am I going to press the button to take a photograph if it's flying through the air? Oh, this is going to be tricky. Unless, yes, we can use Roger's camera instead. Okay, turn it on, and it'll record all the action. Here we go. And we're recording. Hello, camera. Off you go, helicopter. And record some great shots of the three-toed sloth. Oh, easy does it. Oh, yes, it's working. Looks like we're getting some great shots of the sloth for Dr. Hans. What's that noise? It doesn't sound like my helicopter. It's too noisy. It sounds like a plane. Oh, no. It's almost sunset, and the plane has come to fetch Dr. Hans at the river. I need to get the helicopter back and get these pictures to Dr. Hans, and quickly.
Let's play.
Oh, no, the sun is setting. But where's the river? How can I find it? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? That's right. A good way to find streams and rivers is to head downhill, as water naturally flows that way and collects at the bottom. Brilliant. So I just need to head downhill, and I'll find the river. Oh, I'll go this way then.
Let's play.
Dr. Hans, wait.
Rebecca?
Phew, we made it just in time. Did your walking palm tree eventually walk?
No, I, Dr. Hans Grossenstock, have proved that they don't really walk at all. They just grow towards the sun. My whole life's work is ruined, I tell you, ruined.
Well, I might have something to cheer you up. Look, here's something that did move.
A three-toed sloth and its baby. Magnificent. I may not have been able to prove that the walking palm tree can walk, but perhaps with these pictures, I can continue my research into the baby three-toed sloth. I think I'm going to cry. This is wonderful. You are a fantastic jungle explorer.
Oh, thanks, Dr. Hans. Well, we did it, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Some people who live in the rainforest leave a trail of sticks to show which way they have gone. The jungle provides all the things you need to make a shelter. And a good way to find streams and rivers is to head downhill, as water naturally flows that way. I think it's time we went home. Bye, Dr. Hans.
Goodbye.
Let's play.
And I saw a sloth, but then Dr. Hans' tree didn't walk. But it was okay, because then we saw a baby three-toed sloth.
Wow, but did you see a dinosaur-y, lizardy, sharp-toothed beast?
Oh, no, luckily we didn't. What have you been up to, Sid?
Oh, well, I'm still trying to find some sticky tape.
Wait a minute. I've got the perfect thing right here. This is a vine, and it's the rainforest natural string. This you can use to wrap your present.
Brilliant. Thanks, Rebecca.
Playing Jungle Explorers was great fun. What do you like to play?
When I play bases, I roll a dough like this. When I play superheroes, I pretend I have special powers. I like playing Viking and then blowing the horn like this.